So let's say we want to add a contact. So on the left-hand side of the screen, you want to make sure that you're in the contact section on the menu. So we're here and we want to click on the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner that says I add contact. So here, what we want to do is enter in the contact's information. So let's say we're trying to add Sally. Sally Shoemaker. We will need to add an email address if we want to, if Sally has one. We'll enter in Sally's phone number. She has a mobile. We'll enter in my phone number just for demonstration purposes, since it will error out if the phone number is invalid. The type of contact that she came through as, it will be a lead. We can even add in the time zone that she's in as well. This is an option. This part is not mandatory. So let's say she is on the East Coast. All right. And we don't want to turn on any of the D&D channels because that will turn off any contact going out to her. So we want to leave these unchecked, and then we'll hit save. And then that's how you add a contact.